Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Spanish Town and we are giving you an update on the construction of a plaza in Spanish Town. It's actually at the corner of the Spanish Town bypass and White Church Street. Now, one thing I must give this government or administration credit for is that they have turned around Spanish Town. The amount of developments taking place out here. Now, this is going to be the largest plaza in Spanish Town. Billions of dollars to build this. They are building the Spanish Town police headquarters. To the left of us is Bernard Lodge, where you have some of the largest warehouses in Jamaica. The hospital is being upgraded. Spanish Town was once considered a high crime area, but all that has changed now, and it's now a place to invest, to develop. So we are going to give you more information on this development. Now, this property is directly across the road from the entrance to Bernard Lodge, and with 15,000 homes to be built in the Bernard Lodge area, in Bernard Lodge actually, and thousands that are there already. This is going to be a very successful plaza. And then it's on the Spanish Town bypass, which is the main road when leaving the city of Kingston if you're not going on the highway. So therefore it is at a very good location, prime location. Now, this property was acquired for almost $700 million, and they're going to be spending billions to build this development. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Let us know what you think. This is one of many developments taking place in Spanish Town. Sagicor just opened their New Brunswick village. Very a massive development, and this one is that one had 40 commercial units, but it also had residential units at the back, so it was like two developments, commercial at the front, residential at the back. This one is going to be over 40 units in this plaza. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.